This video will discuss the removal and replacement of this component in your Famag mixer before taking the panels off or doing any kind of inspection or repair work on your Famag mixer. Always be sure to disconnect the machine from power, keep it disconnected until the work is finished and the panels are back on. The power has been disconnected from this machine, so we're talking about this component here. It goes by different names. Sometimes we call it the inverter, or the control panel or control board, or the VFD, stands for variable frequency drive. These are durable and rarely need to be replaced, but when they do, the replacement requires, first of all, taking out one bolt that comes up from underneath that holds the board physically in place, and lifting the head here, we can see that bolt in this position here. Now, don't mistake this for these three bolts that are further back in a row. Those three are the hinge bolts for the head of the mixer. We're looking at this bolt right here. It has a 10mm head. There's no nut on top. It just screws into a threaded hole in the base of the control board. Once that bolt is out, then the only thing holding this board in place is the various wire connections. Now, we don't provide a guide as to what color of wires go where when you're putting the new board back in, because color schemes of wiring harnesses can change over time, and that information could be obsolete and incorrect. So if you need to replace your board, then what you want to do first is take some pictures, make sure that you can see from every angle everything that you may need to see to be able to reproduce later. And we would also suggest duplicating that effort with a little diagram, just a pencil sketch of what colors of wires go where. Don't use B for black and B for brown. You need to make sure that your color designations are unique. In the back, we have 3 plug-in connections on this machine, and it's like about 4 wires on this side and 3 wires on this side, I believe. And then there are some other connections here that come from a sensor on this side and a safety switch on that side. So all these just need to be reconnected, and then put your bolt back in from underneath, and that's all there is to it.